so big and strong within. C is for cat, who purrs and plays. D is for dog, who loves fun days. E is for elephant, stomping around. F is for frog, who jumps off the ground. G is for giraffe, so tall and sweet. H is for horse with galloping feet. I is for iguana, green and slow. J is for jaguar, sneaky and low. K is for kangaroo, hopping so high. L is for lion, king of the sky. M is for monkey, swinging up tall. N is for narwhal with a tusk so small. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, waddling in white. Q is for quail, a bird so small. R is for rabbit, who hops, not crawls. S is for snake, who slithers with ease. T is for tiger, who runs through the trees. U is for ocean, spiky and round. V is for vulture, who soars off the ground. W is for whale, so big and blue. X is for X-ray fish, see through to Y